What's up, everyone? So this is the Money Baller, and this is by far the most fun thing that I've created so far. Check this out. And this thing has actually got some serious distance to it as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put this whole thing together. So let's get right into it. I'm Jay. This is JBV Creative. Let's create. So this is a really easy build. It only takes about 8 hours to print the entire thing. The launcher itself only takes 4.5 hours, so you can just multiply these launchers at will. So let's start putting this thing together. Take your base, take your spine, and with these extensions facing the back of the base, just press that in. Now you can grab your lever that goes in between these two flanges on the base. Hold that in place with a pin, and then secure it with a C-clamp. Now you can take your launcher, that goes with the end holes in the spine here. Throw a pin in there to hold it into place. Secure that with a C-clamp as well. Now grab one of your pins, throw it through one of the holes in one of these connecting rods. That will go through the loop on the end of the lever, and then you can use the remaining pin, and that goes through there. Now throw the other connecting rod on the end, secure it with 2 C-clamps, and your launcher is done. So you may need to just wiggle it around, move it a bit until it gets clear, but for me, it seems to be working right off the bat. Sweet. So let's put together the net now. So grab your net base, grab your post, pop that into the base. Now take your hoop with the net, that slides onto the end of this. And there is this hoop right here which doesn't have the see-through mesh because some printers may struggle a little bit with the retractions and all that are required to print this piece, but this piece is optional. You don't have to print it. Now take your backboard, that just pops on top of the post, and there it is, done. So you need just a regular ping pong ball, and you can get them at the dollar store. They don't have to be quality ping pong balls. The skill is not something that you can buy. This is something you have to practice. But there it is. Really simple, really fun. The best part is you can make multiples of these so you can challenge your friends, create games, play horse, do trick shots, whatever you can come up with. Thank you guys so much for following along. I hope you enjoy this piece. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.